I'm so excited and proud to announce that the Jumpstart program is back. The Discover Your PCOS Diva 7-day Jumpstart program is back and better than ever. The Jumpstart program has helped over 4,000 women take back control of their symptoms and feel better with PCOS. And the number one thing that I would hear from women is they wanted to be able to start this program whenever they wanted, and I was only running it about 3 times a year. So now you can participate anytime you want, and you can even start today. And best of all, I've greatly reduced the price of the program, and I invite you to learn more about the Jumpstart program at PCOSdiva.com/jumpstart and get started today.